Okay, so let us begin with the history of digital marketing and why it is important to know. So let us discuss about that. So why it is important to know any history? Because we think that it is a new industry. So the digital marketing we are able to see now only. Guys, am I audible? Somebody is saying mic not working. So your mic is not working. Am I audible right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. So as we need to know the history because from what all the phases we have come and how exactly it got evolved. Okay. So otherwise we think that the digital marketing industry is the new industry and that is the reason why most of the time the people hesitate to get into that industry. Okay. But practically digital marketing is not the new industry. So you can just see the history of the digital marketing because so many times somebody asked. Okay, so when I say I do have 17 years of experience in this digital marketing, the people asked me, no, sir, digital marketing is just now trending, right? Why do you say 17 years? Is that right or something? Okay, so because we just laugh at them because they do not know all these things, and that is how the people get into the wrong perception. So this is the history of the digital marketing. So the term digital marketing is first used in the year of 1990. So that means when the internet, like this World Wide Web, just got introduced to this world. At the same time, the purpose of the internet they have launched only to realize this kind of marketing method. Okay, and in the year of 1993, in the year of 1993, first clickable web ad banner, first clickable web ad banner. So whatever the ad we are clicking on now, and we are able to see these ads. So this ad technology is not the new technology; it is the old technology. Now, can you guess what is the age of the digital marketing industry now? Guys, can anybody guess what is the age of the digital marketing now? Yeah, it's almost all 28 years. Okay, 22 years. No, it will come to 32 years. See, from 2001 itself, it's 22, right? 1990, if you calculate, it is 32. 32 or 33 years old industry. Okay, if we calculate it from 1990, if we calculate it from 1993, also it is 28 years old industry. Okay, so then later on, in 1994, the launch of Yahoo, first e-commerce transaction over net market. Okay, so the launch of Yahoo was Yahoo got launched into the market, into the world. So I still remember. So there was a Yahoo ads on the hoardings in the city, Hyderabad city, wherein they used to keep a big hoarding and just they used to mention the Yahoo. So we just with the curiosity we used to think like what is Yahoo. Okay. So likewise, so in the 1994, so they have launched that Yahoo. So in 1996, again in that 1994 itself, the e-commerce transactions, okay, e-commerce transactions have started over the internet. And in 1996, launch of smaller search engines like Hotspot, LookSmart, and Alexa. right? The first reference to the PPC by website directory, Planet Oasis. Okay, so these kind of stuff. So Hotbot, LookSmart, Alexa, these all are like now we are able to see the just dial, right? Everybody knows just dial Suleka. So those kind of stuff. Okay, so the very smaller search engines used to be there. Then in the 1998 birth of Google and Microsoft launches MSN and Yahoo launches Yahoo Web Search. And we must understand, so there is a story behind this. One has to know about that. So the Google launched 1998, the Google launched another search engine. Okay, so actually the company name was Alphabet, so they have launched this Google search engine. Okay, so basically the Alphabet was the software development company for the Yahoo. So as they are providing these services to the Yahoo, they have proposed a new format. Actually, search engine technology was the old technology only. So they were they were providing the services to Yahoo, Alphabet company, that software development. So they have proposed, the Alphabet have proposed the Google formula to the Yahoo owner. Okay, but Yahoo owner denied that he wanted to put all the links, like all the category, he wanted to display all the categories in one go, so that the people would just immediately whatever they need, they should go over there. So that is what the feeling. So he was very adamant. He was not listen to the Google what exactly they are trying to say. But the Google thought that it would be a really good example for the other people, or it would be a really a great help. Actually, they have created something like a search engine with a single search box. That is what the idea. Otherwise, if you observe the Yahoo old search engine, so there will be a search box, but along with that, there will be a lot of other now they are also maintaining this, but actually earlier they used to be Yahoo old homepage. Okay, so likewise it used to be like this. Okay, so there was a search box, but see web images, video, audio, directory, local news, shopping. See earlier Yahoo, all these kind of things were there already with the Yahoo. What the new thing that Google is doing? Okay, so Google has only proposed that the only search box must be there, so that everybody put an input over there, so that it is very easy for us to understand what exactly the world needs, right? What exactly the customers read. It would help us to understand the intent behind the keyword, so that we can map our results accurately, so that the customer experience can be we can give more good experience to the customer. So very simple logic. Got it? But the Yahoo owner didn't listen to the proposal, and he said that he wanted to go in this way only because he doesn't want to change the home page. So then what exactly they did? So they thought that anyhow, because they know the idea, they know the value of that, so they have already estimated. So they have launched a new search engine with the name Google. Okay. So this is the history of the Google. So then again in the 1998, Microsoft launched Microsoft Network or MSN search engine. Also they have Messenger. Also they have launched, and again Yahoo launched Yahoo Web Search, because at that time Yahoo Messenger was the only messenger which was very popular, like why how you are using the Facebook Instant Messenger. Okay, the earlier, even I remember we used to use the Yahoo Messenger to interact with the people, unknown people, okay, across the globe. If we want to discuss with something, and we used to be there, we used to manage, we used to use the Yahoo Messenger. Okay, then Orkut has come. So many other applications were there. So now then again in 2000, the Google launched AdWords with the 350 customer. Okay, because what exactly happened, so Google will get to know easily, because Google has promised the other people easily that you would we would give you the real customers for you. Because what is happening with the Google now, the right people can find the right product in the right location. Okay, in the right location, right people, right customer can find the right product or services in the right location, right? So as you know the intent, and whatever the customer intent, you can just provide those services only, so you can meet them exactly the same. So that is the reason why, so we are going to connect with them. So in again in the 2000, smaller search engines wiped out. So now just if you think, so all the successful companies, whenever they have launched their company, they have already launched the company with minimum 350 customers. Just imagine. Okay. But when we start up our company, we think that we won't be having any customers, but we start from zero. So they have started with 350 customers. So that is the difference between the idea and the like the ideology. Okay, so how do they launch, how do they get into, so this kind of stuff. Okay, so again 2000, smaller search engines wiped out. And again in the year of 2002, launch of LinkedIn. Again the people think that LinkedIn is a new company, or hardly people know about it, right? And how many of you have the LinkedIn account, guys? Just let me know who do not have the LinkedIn account. Does everyone has the LinkedIn account?
Yes, sir.
Who do not have the
Yes,
LinkedIn
sir.
account? Sanjay, you
Hello,
don't
sir.
have. Yeah, Pooja, you don't have. Okay, so those
Hello,
people.
sir.
Yes. Yeah, who is this?
My system was, sir, I'm Chetna, and my
Yeah.
system was not working properly, so I missed the part actually. Can you
Which one?
please repeat? Just from the starting.
Okay, okay. So I've just introduced this. So this one is not new industry. So we have started uh, this digital marketing. Okay, in the year of 1990. So internet was born, and again in the 1993, web first clickable web ad banner got introduced. So that means what is the, like how many years old technology this Google or digital marketing is. So it is almost all 32 years old industry. It is not the new industry. Okay. So in the same way again in the yeah.
Yes, sir. Getting it.
Okay. So again in the year of 1994, Yahoo is another search engine which got introduced into the world, and they made the first, they have realized the first e-commerce transaction over the internet in the 1994. And again in the 1996, smaller search engines got introduced to this world, like we can see the Just Dial, Suleka, so this kind of search engines, but at a bigger level. So that Hotspot and LookSmart and Alexa, these were the search engines, because these people have given some great ideas, and Google and other companies got the ideas, the business concept from these search engines. Okay, so that is the reason why they say that. Earlier we used to have the directories actually, so the complete directories. So even search engines nowadays depend on that directories. Then again in the year of 1998, Google got launched into the market. So here we need to understand. So Google's parent company was Alphabet, and Alphabet is the software development company who actually provided the software or development services to the Yahoo. So whatever the idea the Google has, like one search box that will connect with everything. So that idea they have presented to the Yahoo, but Yahoo owner never pay heeded. Like they never understand that. They never consider that. So this was the old search engine, the Yahoo. So this is how the Yahoo owner wanted their homepage. Actually, Google proposed a new simple single box over there so that they can easily understand, they can gather the requirements of the customer. Okay, but unfortunately they have not listened to it. But Google was so confident that it would really hit the market, so they have launched that. And in the again, so 2000, the smaller search engines as Google has launched. At the same year, Google has started the advertisement on their Google platform, on their search engine, and they have named that particular platform as a Google AdWords, Google Ads. Okay, so now it is the AdWords is changed to the Google Ads now. So now, so that is they have started their company with 350 customers. So if we start our company, we start with 0 customer, but those people have started their company with 350 customers initially. So that is the ideology. So whenever anyone start a business, so they already create an income source, then only they launch the company. Okay, so launch of LinkedIn 2002, and again in the year of 2003, the launch of MySpace. WordPress got released in the year of, so in the year of 2002, LinkedIn got launched into the market. So what is LinkedIn? Can anybody tell me what is LinkedIn? Can anybody tell what is LinkedIn? What is Facebook? So Facebook is a social media platform which can help you to build a network with your known or unknown people, and that is more personal, right? But whereas the LinkedIn is a professional network, the same thing, known or unknown people, but it will help you to create a professional network. So like it will help you to connect with any level person, okay, who represent any company. So you can meet them. So any professional if you want, so that is the area wherein, that is the only platform wherein you can meet with all the professionals. It is so accurate, and it will verify, it will validate. So you can find all the genuine profiles on the LinkedIn. Okay. So then again in the year of 2003, so hardly people might be having the LinkedIn accounts. Yes, so it is a professional social platform. Job search, social media. Okay, so it is a networking platform actually. Okay, professional networking platform. Yes. So those who do not have the LinkedIn account, please immediately create your network, because the LinkedIn is a only source. If you want to know, so sometime the people wonder how this company, like the people are they have started their companies in Hyderabad and somewhere down the line in India, and they are getting the business from US, UK, and all the other parts of the countries. How do they get the business? They wonder, right? If you think sometimes. But why and how are they getting the business? Because of this LinkedIn network only. Okay, because of this LinkedIn only, they will be able to communicate or connect with a lot of people across the globe, and they do the prospecting always. Okay, so as they do the prospecting, so they generate the leads. So that is how they start providing the services, and they make good money. Okay, so these things will automatically happen once if you have were connected and putting consistent efforts on the LinkedIn. Again in the 2003, launch of MySpace, and at the time WordPress got released. So just imagine, up to 2003, the web technology, how exactly the web technology was. So if I want to create a simple website, I need to depend on the web developer. If I just want to change my phone number, one character of the phone number also, I need to depend on the developer itself. That was the really very painful time for all the business owners. Okay, so very tough situation. And these web developers used to charge very high. Okay, even for a small correction also they used to charge. They used to bill a lot. So those like up to 2003, the web developers has seen a great life actually. So they used to be very busy, and so that is how we used to treat them in a different way, like the IT industry, software guys, something like that. And they were doing nothing actually. They were doing the very simple jobs actually at that time, up to 2003. So then WordPress got launched. Why? What is the purpose of WordPress? So within WordPress is a content management system, wherein and it is open source, it is free, and wherein you can create the website without writing any code. Okay, because it has helped the world, the tech community, and they so that they can deliver a lot of projects at the same time. They have developed this only to help them only because they don't want to write the code, each and every code from the scratch, right? So that is the reason why they wanted to develop this platform. So now what happened? So even anyone can easily create the WordPress like the website without writing any code, and one can launch the website within no time. If you want to launch a website within a day, you can launch. They have all such kind of facilities over there with the WordPress. Within 1 hour, if you want to launch any website, yes, we can do that. Okay, with the help of this WordPress. Okay, so likewise, so since 2003, so the WordPress has got released to the world, introduced to the world, so that it is really helping the community a lot. So most of the times nowadays, even I can say 90% of the websites are using the WordPress at their backend. So you might be wondered, so how do I know whether which technology the other people are using? Okay, so very simple. So go to this website and type any website name. Like I wanted to know, okay, which technology they are using. They are using the WordPress, right? Easily you can get to know, right? Here also easily we can get to know. So what all the plugins which they are using, that also we can see easily over here. So this is the WordPress. So these all are the other plugins which they are using. So easily we can get to know the other functionalities they have. So not only this, any website you take, like I want to show you for Apollo Hospitals. So Apollo Hospitals, are they using the WordPress? Contact Form 7 WordPress plugins they are using. Okay, yes, Apollo is also using the WordPress at their backend. Got it? Likewise, any company you take, they use almost all WordPress at the backend. Let us test with Infosys. So this company is not using WordPress. So they are using the content delivery network, but not the content management system. Okay. So likewise, any company you take, so most of the times they are using the WordPress at their backend. So that is how powerful that WordPress technology is. Okay, so that is how. So you can, if you want to learn anything, if you want to know about the new things about any other customer or your competitor, you can easily go through that built with website and you will get to know what exactly they are using. Okay, so again, in the year of 2004, so Gmail got launched into the world. Okay, earlier there was a Rediff email, then Rediff mail. Before that, there was hotmail.com. Okay, so that was there. So again, but Google has launched this Gmail service so that only for to cater the email services they have launched actually. And again, at the same time, the Facebook got launched. And in the year of 2005, YouTube got launched into the world. And people have realized the Google Analytics has them. So what is Google Analytics? So it will report the user behavior on your website. And till 2005, there was no technology which can reveal that visitor analytics, like how the user is spending the time on your website, what all the pages he has browsed, okay, how many times he has come. So we can't know, like there was no technology which will reveal such kind of details till 2005. And for that also they need to depend on the coding and the web developer, so they used to write a separate code and they used to charge a lot for that small information. But nowadays it is very easy, damn easy. You can simply get to know what exactly happening with the your website, how many people are coming, and from where exactly they are coming, from their country or city, or which pin code they belong to, and again how exactly they got to know about your website, from which website your website got promoted, or from which website they have come to your website. So complete user journey you will get to know with the help of the Google Analytics. So this is the another powerful technology. Okay, and even that too the Google is giving you the whole technology for free. So, but this kind of technology earlier was like till 2005 there was no technology available, and the Google has released this kind of technology and that too for free. Okay, so now if you create your own website also, you can integrate this Google Analytics for free. You will get to know how the people are, how your customer is interacting with your website. So easily you will be able to know that. Okay. So like, so this is one of my clients website, and if you look at the source, okay, so we will be able to get to know like somebody who has spent more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes. This guy has spent more than 3 minutes. It is showing the complete time over there. So I just want to see how they have visited and how they have interacted with this. Okay, so see here. So this since how long? So on these days he has spent 28 minutes, but for what reason he has spent? What all the pages he has visited? So he has visited the contact us page. Okay, so likewise, so many times he has come to this particular page. From there he can okay. So the first day when he has visited this website on the October 7th. Okay, how he has come from to which web page he has come. So he has landed on this particular page. What is his journey? So these all are the pages he is browsing through. Okay, so easily you will get to know the customer's behavior. Okay, with the help of this Google Analytics.
Hello, sir.
Yes, who is
Um,
that?
so if sir, it's Chetna, and if I'm launching a website, and if I want to search on this Google Analytics, where should I search for my website, or that mm, who search on this
No, you first
and
once if
who
you have
visited
it,
my page?
first you if you have your website, in
Yes.
which technology you have the website, whether it is a custom website or whether it is a WordPress website or what is the backend technology which you are using. So depending upon that, you need to integrate that website with this Google Analytics. So there will be a
Okay.
different methods. If you have the WordPress website, so there is a different method. If it is a custom website, it is a different method, right? So that
Okay.
integration will be there. So it is connecting, like they will give you a code, just you need to paste the code over there on your header section of your website. So if you create a normal, you can create a normal account with this. We will be seeing all those things later on.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So that integration part is different. So you need to connect this with that. Okay.
Okay. So, is it in a course then? Like this integration with our website with Google?
It is a very simple only. If you have if you just you launch your website, we'll fix this. Okay. It's couple of minutes
Thank you,
job.
sir.
Yeah. It's a couple of minutes job. It doesn't take that much time. Okay, so that is
Yes,
how
sir.
this Google has minimized the burden. Okay, very simple. So just we can integrate. So the I just wanted to introduce you now to all this technology so that you can get to know. So what were the situations at that time, and now how exactly we are really enjoying the power of the technology, right? So just imagine since up to 2005 there was no technology which used to reveal about the visitor behavior, but now we have all the technology and wherein easily we can see that. I told you like we will get to know their behavior, like from which country they have come to our website, right? So from all traffic and from which source they have come to our website. Source means whether from Google. We see we are getting more traffic from Facebook, then Google, then directly people are coming in, then paid advertisement, right? So this is how you will get to know how the traffic is coming to your website. And in the same way, you will also get to know from which countries the people have come to your website. Okay, so you will get to know even the locations. Okay, so these all are the pages they are visiting. Okay, so here we have the location. Okay, so from which country the people have visited? See, these many countries the people have visited: India, US, Canada, China, Ireland, and from all these countries the people are visiting this website. So you can easily get to know since which from which company, which country we are getting more traffic. Suppose if I take India also, and what is their state? Okay, so you can drill down. So these all are the states from which we are getting most of the traffic. Okay, so this is for this time period, last 1 month. Okay, so that is how you will get to know the very minute information. There is a lot of information you can get it from here. Okay, so likewise, frequency and recency. or how many customers have come, how frequently they are visiting. So first time visitors you have these many, and these many visitors you have these many times. So 15 to 25 times 190 107 people are visiting your website. Okay, 100 to 200 times 36 people are visiting your website. Okay, so 3 times 108 people are visiting, 2 times so 242 people are visiting. Okay, so likewise you can easily get to know all this kind of information. So it is doing all the analysis, just you can okay, within fraction of seconds you will get to know all these things, as it saves a lot of data. So now see, the new visitors you have received 2000 people, and only 437 old visitors like repeated customers are coming. So likewise you will get to know the how your website is useful for them. Okay, so that kind of data you will get. So in the 2005, so then again in the year of 2006, launch of Twitter, Facebook launched advertising, Microsoft launched MS Live Search. So again, you know that Twitter, because it has become the now some kind of a customer service portal now. Because what happens with the Twitter, if you observe, nowadays even the companies like all the airlines or the big companies, they have started providing their customer service. Like if they have started responding to the people on the Twitter itself. Suppose if any flight is delayed, so somebody is tagging over there, and they are asking, like as a customer, if they complain about the delay of the flight, so they respond over there. So they respond over there on the Twitter. So that itself immediately passing on the message to the all the people whoever follows that, and that too at their comfort, and that too on their mobile phone, the information is being passed on. Otherwise, just imagine the situation. Okay, if there is no Twitter at all. Okay, now there is a delay in the flight. Then in that flight, suppose if 1,000 people are there for that particular journey, and all these 1,000 people are unaware of what is happening. Okay, at least if they know one hour or 2 hours before, if they get to know about that, so they can get relaxed, right? They can come comfortably.
Hello, what happened?
I think we lose the connection. We are not able to discern anything.
Oh, yes,
Yeah,
same
still,
here.
yeah.
So they are not allowing me to share the screen. Who has become the host for this? Anybody? Samta, you have become the host. You have to give me the access. You should make me host. Samta, go to my name in the participant list. There will be three dots and right click on that. You will find the option to make me host
Okay, sir.
so that I can share my screen. I'm unable to share my screen. Okay, thank you. So
Yes, sir.
now, okay. So that is how the Twitter is helping the companies now. Otherwise, what happened? So 1,000 people would complain about that flight delay. Flight is not reached, right? So what is happening now? The Twitter, like the people, these people are simply messaging them over there on the Twitter itself, and whoever follows that flight handle, so easily they will get to know. The same time, the message will be passed on to all the people. And even sometimes it is another use case, like somebody has complaining something and Twitter is saying something, so indirectly other people are getting educated about that, so it is again reducing the burden on the customer care, so that there won't be any redundant answers on that, right? So likewise, if you want to know anything, you just follow their Twitter handle, so there will be a lot of information on that for that particular airline, so easily you will get to know all the problems. So that is how this Twitter and kind of platforms are really helping the companies, right? And again, the Facebook launches advertising, and Microsoft launches MS Live Search, and launch of Tumblr, launch of iPhone, and AdSense for mobile Android or mobile got introduced. So AdSense is another ad technology. Earlier, the ad technology was only working till 2005. It was only working on the web-based web applications, but since 2007 onwards, so they have started publishing the ads on the mobile even. Okay, so that is the another income source or revenue source for the Google as well as the bloggers, the publishers network, right? And iPhone got released in the same year. Now, I wanted to say in 2006, the Facebook launched the advertising, and in 2007, iPhone got launched. Okay, so the iPhone has taken the advantage of the social media platform Facebook, because that is the reason why the iPhone before this 2007 iPhone company was continuously into losses for the past 5 years. Okay, but when they have connected, when they have taken the advantage of this Facebook technology, they have pinpointed the audience, because they can target the age group, gender, location, their interest, right? So their whether they are rich or poor, so they can easily get to know, and they have perfectly launched their campaign. So that is the reason why they could able to sell more and more number of products, more number of phones, and specific to the customers, right? So that is the reason why they have seen a lot of changes at their end. Okay, they have seen a lot of sales at their end. So that is the reason why I always say that yes, the iPhone has become succeed, has seen the success because of the Facebook platform. Okay, so this is the history. So like again in the year of 2009, Google launched instant search results. So this is another feature. Because of this, again, Google has become even more and more popular, and people have started loving the Google. And almost all since 2009, because of this functionality, I can say the whole world, entire world, 100% of the internet users are now becoming are depending on the Google. So what is this Google instant search results feature? So let us see that what is Google's instant search. So when I say digital marketing, see here, when I am typing digital marketing, A, it is giving all the drop down instantly whatever I am typing over there. If I type B, it is giving all the information instantly, right? That means what? This much data is available with the Google for all these queries. So whatever you are asking or typing, immediately it will pop up and you will just select with that information. Okay, so it is not something like you type it something and Google go to the whole internet and giving you the result. No, Google has already stored the information. Whatever the information Google has stored, it is giving you, displaying that information over here. Okay, so immediately whatever you type, suppose digital marketing jobs in A, company wise, location wise, B, Hyderabad, yes, you can see that. Okay, industry wise also you are getting. So likewise, all that information. So this is the Google instant search result. This is the feature. Suppose if I select only this digital marketing jobs in Hyderabad, this particular keyword. Okay. Now I am using the button called I am feeling lucky. How many of you have used that button earlier? Now see if I click on this, what happens? It will take me to the page. Which one is most popular or which is relevant and topmost page? Okay, directly it will take you to that website. So without, see, anyhow you click over there and you visit the first page only, right? So if you have such kind of method, then you click on this I am feeling lucky, it will take you to the first result only. Got it? So that is the I am feeling lucky button. How many of you have used this button, I am feeling lucky? Did you ever use that button at all? Usually no. Okay,
No.
how many times you might have visited this Google? Hundreds and thousand times, but still you couldn't know what is that button at all. Okay, so that will take you to the number one result. That will automatically take you to the first result. So you just type your keyword over there and type I am feeling lucky. So that is how you could. So hardly I think 8% of the netizens are using this I am feeling lucky button. Okay, there is a statistics on that also. So you don't waste your time. So immediately you would go to the website which is ranking on top over there. Okay, so that is how it is helping. Likewise, and again, so because of this result only, because of that instant search results, the people have started. Are you able to see my screen?
It's blank, sir.
Now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So because of that instant search engine only, the people have started loving the Google, right? Because it is saving a lot of time. And if you do not know anything, also it is giving you the ideas so that you can think more effectively and you can get to know what exactly you want. So that is how it is helping even the marketers. The same thing which is helping even the marketers, because the marketers will get to know the intent of the customer. Okay, so likewise, suppose if it is a digital marketing, maybe he is looking for a a service. Maybe he is looking for, as a student, he is curious about that, but there is no clear intention. But when you look at the digital marketing training, that means you obviously get to know that you have a training intention. You want to learn digital marketing, right? And if you say digital marketing course, even more interested, so that this information can Google sell it to the other people, or you can the advertiser can take the advantage of that particular intention, and they can meet the real customers. Okay, so instantly we are able to meet that. So that is really working well. And again, internet in this from the 2009 onwards, so people have started spending more budgets on the internet than the TV advertisement, because earlier, so till 2009 the people were spending more budget, they are allocating, they used to allocate their more marketing budget to the TV, but now they have started spending more on the internet since 2009. Okay, so since 2009 the drastic changes have happened on the internet community. Okay, so now again in the 2010 WhatsApp got launched into the market. So you must know the YouTube also over here. So Google got to know that in future the people may not read the content. Okay, because the people have started writing the articles, so 10,000 word article, 20,000 word articles, and it was a very hectic job for us, like we were unable to get to know the quality information from that. And Google has realized this, and in future people may not be interested in reading the content, they may be interested in video content. So that is the reason why intelligently Yahoo was the third party company actually. So they have acquired, they have purchased that YouTube, the whole YouTube concept. They have purchased the whole YouTube company. Okay, because they know that there is a future in that. So nowadays we can realize the future over there. And again in the year of 2010, WhatsApp got launched into the market. WhatsApp got launched into the market. Twitter launches promotional tweets and promotional trends, right? So again in the year of 2011, launch of Google Place, the social media another platform. But so though it is a Google product, it is failed product. So it is not a hit. So not like whatever the product Google launches, it will become a hit. No. So this is a failed product. Even it was having a lot of good features, but people are not connected with it. So they have they have waited for a long time, and they have shut down that company now. Okay, so launch of Google Panda. So these all are the updates for the search algorithm. And again in the year of 2012, social media budget goes up to the 64%. So only the people have started spending more budgets on the social media since 2012. Now again, Facebook have started showing the ads on the newsfeed. Newsfeed is the center part. Okay, so earlier it used to show the ad at the in the notification and the right side, but now they have started showing the ads on the newsfeed on the center itself. Now again, Yahoo acquires the Tumblr. So Tumblr is another application, social media application, which is popular in couple of the countries. And again, Facebook announces the video plans. Even the Facebook understood that earlier Facebook was just image sharing website. Okay, and Facebook also realized that in future, if you are just going with the image content, and even they were not allowing the articles on the Facebook. Okay, so the article like the text content. So now they have started later on they have started allowing the text content, later on they have started allowing the Facebook video content also. So that is the reason why the people are engaged, more number of people are engaged over there. Okay, so now see here, everybody is now connecting with the video now. And AdWords enhanced campaigns, they have even improved the ads, Google Ads technology. Again, since 2000 in the year of 2014, Facebook acquired WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp is a private search engine, and it is actually free search engine. But Yahoo has purchased, and they wanted to make it paid. But again, there was if they made it paid, so no one will use that. So as it is helping the people, okay, so they are using in a different way now. It is helping the marketers to use the WhatsApp. So that is how they are making the money. So now you can get the messages on WhatsApp if somebody is advertising so easily. whether known people or unknown people, you can target them and you can connect with them on the WhatsApp. Okay, so that is how the Facebook is using the WhatsApp now. And again, first time mobile exceeds PC internet usage. Earlier, desktop and laptops were the dominant on internet. Like most of the customers they used to spend more time on the desktop and laptop, and that was the situation. But since 2014 onwards, the trend has changed. The more number of customers now are using the mobile phones than for internet access than the desktop or laptop. Okay, so if you want to check your emails nowadays, you are using the same Gmail app on mobile phone and you are checking. So you don't need to go to the internet at all, or you don't need to use the desktop or laptop at all for that purpose. Okay, until and unless we have a dire requirement like typing something or doing something on the system, so then only you go for that. Otherwise, you don't go for that at all. So you hardly manage everything from your mobile phone itself, right? And again, in the year of 2015, Snapchat is another application wherein it will clearly give you the location and time then and there itself. It is having a lot of powerful features. Like if you go to Taj Mahal and take the snapshot, it will automatically by default print that it is Taj Mahal. So image processing is there in the Snapchat application, and it can accurately tell or print the geographic codes like latitudes and longitudes over there, and the date and time also automatically printed on every photo you take. So that is the reason why if you observe any central government minister or state government minister, so to give if they visit any particular country, so they send the photograph from this snapshot because the media will believe that. Otherwise, you may take that image at any point of time and you may give it to them. So you may not go to that to Dubai, but still you say that you are in Dubai, right? The media won't trust you. So that is the reason why they release these kind of images now. So Snapchat is really helping a lot now. And again, in the year of 2015, from 2015 onwards, and Facebook also is allowing the instant articles. Like now we can read the content, text content. Like the moment you post any URL, automatically it is fetching the image over there, and also some content also you can see that on the Facebook newsfeed itself. So it is allowing since 2015. Again, in the year of 2016, Facebook Messenger ads button. So you can purchase some products from the Messenger also, Facebook Messenger also. And again, Google discontinues the ads in the right hand side. Earlier it used to show the right hand side. So now what are the new applications which are dominant and popular after 2016? Guys, anybody know which one is ruling now? What is that great app which you like, which is trending in your point of view? So you must be having a lot of knowledge on about the new apps. What is the social social networking platform which is ruling now? The trending one, new one, or I can say social broadcasting platform. What is that? Anybody know aware about that?
Is Instagram?
No.
Instagram.
No.
YouTube.
Hmm?
YouTube.
No.
WhatsApp.
See, WhatsApp you can interact with only the known people, right? If somebody you have the mobile number with of them, so you can interact with them. Unknown people like celebrities, if you want to interact with, you want to listen to them, then no.
Twitter?
No, like you have 10 friends and you wanted to start the conversation, like discuss with each other instantly. Which platform is helping you to do that? So like you can get an experience like you all 10 people are there in the same room itself. You will get such kind of an experience. If you create a WhatsApp group, again you need to chat. Otherwise, you need to keep on sending the voice messages. But without that also you can do that. It is even more greater experience for the people. Yeah. What is that platform? No one knows about it. Mobile app only. Okay. So it is the Clubhouse. How many of you know about the Clubhouse? Is there anybody there who is using the Clubhouse? Go to Google Play Store and see what is Clubhouse. I wanted to know about the Clubhouse. So somebody has to explain about me about the Clubhouse. What exactly it is doing, what all the advantage, what is that value which the Clubhouse is providing. Okay guys, so these all are the history about this digital marketing. So as we have completed the history of the digital marketing, so immediately we should get into the traditional business marketing funnel, which we will cover tomorrow. Any guys, any doubts you have? Whatever so far we have learned, anything, whether it may be relevant or irrelevant, also no problem. Okay, so we have completed the history of digital marketing. Now this is the digital media. So what is digital media? Any media which can be encoded in the machine readable format is called as digital media, like audio file, video file, PPT. So these are the traditional marketing versus digital marketing, which we shall cover this tomorrow. Anything else, guys? Any doubts? Please ask. So that's all it for the day. So I shall conclude the session for the day now. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Job can be related to the industry. The doubt can be related to the industry, can be related to your jobs, can be related to anything. Yes. Install the Clubhouse now. Otherwise, you see what is Clubhouse. Clubhouse. So this is the application name. Okay, it is the mobile application. So they are saying it is voice-based social networking site. So what exactly we can do? Talk with friends, meet their friends, join good houses, no photos, just to have fun. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will be having a lot of communities over there, and you can talk to or you can listen to the people. So if you want to manage your own radio, radio with all your friends, so that is the place.
Can we manage? Can you promote our business?
Who is that?
Yeah, I'm Srinivas.
So what you want to do? You wanted to promote your business on the Clubhouse?
Yeah. Is it possible?
You can create, you can see. You just first you see what are the groups over there, and you can invite all the people to the Clubhouse. There may be a number of people on the Clubhouse, but who is going to maintain that group continuously? Because somebody has to continuously live, right? Getting my point? You
It
just
is more like a live, like people who stay live.
yeah.
Okay.
It's something like, yeah. So otherwise, see if there is a requirement wherein you go live for something, in that case, yeah, it can be. You try. How do you use that particular platform? Creativity is needed. Weekly once you may come online. Weekly twice you may come online. At specific time you need to engage your audience, right? It will take some time over there also, because to engage or to connect with all the people, you don't join each and every group over there, right? You just spend couple of days on that clubhouse, and once if you still believe that yes you can generate or meet your customers over there, you can meet over there. So everybody got installed that app. Are you there on clubhouse now? So you can have a lot of different groups where you can immediately enter into the room and see what is that discussion is going on. So you can create a private room also, public room and private room. So that facility is also there. Okay, so here also some quality guidelines for that. So likewise, if you know any other platforms like this or any other new platform which is trending nowadays, so you just explore and let us know. Okay guys, so that's all it for the day.